welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong province welcomes new provincial, Father John Zosiama. Plus F symbol in food items are reliable, food safety Meghalaya. Renovation commences at dam site by ITC Cementation India Limited. And shop owners in Khubor district frustrated over unsettled election service payments. And now the news in detail. The Silesian province of St. John Paul II Shillong is abuzz with joyous celebrations following the announcement of Father John Zosiama's appointment as its third provincial. The news delivered by Father Biju Michael, Regional Councillor for South Asia from Rome, marks a significant moment for the Silesian community. Father Zosiama, currently serving as Vice Provincial, is set to assume office on May 24, 2024, succeeding Father Paul O. Lincoln. Born on August 20, 1973 and ordained a priest on December 20, 2003, Father Zosiama holds the distinction of being the first Mizo priest to ascend to the role of provincial in the province's history. A distinguished professor of theology and prolific author, Father Zosiama has left an indelible mark on the Silesian province of Shillong. Having served as the province's vocation promoter and vocation in charge, he played a pivotal role in fostering priestly vocations, contributing significantly to the province's growth. The Silesian community in Shillong welcomes Father Zosiama's appointment with enthusiasm and optimism. The transition scheduled for May 2024 marks a new chapter for the Silesian province of St. John Paul II in Shillong. In an effort to dispel rumors surrounding fortified rice and other packet foods, the Deputy Commissioner of Khubor district organized an educational session through the Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department on December 14th. The event, held at Nongpo Shopping Complex, aimed to address concerns and provide clarity to the public. Dr. D.B.S. Mukim, Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety Meghalaya, spearheaded the initiative, urging people not to succumb to baseless rumors regarding plastic rice. She emphasized that food items featuring the blue plus F symbol are both reliable and safe for consumption. Dr. Mukim highlighted that this symbol signifies that the food items are fortified, ensuring their safety for consumption. The educational session sought to empower the community with accurate information and alleviate any unwarranted fears surrounding fortified foods.
Port na ki laboratory ki prepare ki bang nila depha ha ki por ki balale ni don shibon ba balai na ki district prepare ban panchisha ba kini ki de ki khao ki bade ki fortified rice but ki bom de ki khao plastic ter shiter ki nang pha ban ter sia kini ki khao ha ka bangin yo ban pentikna bayo don kanu ka jaka ka ba shim kabu ban kle alane ban pensni opat yakini ki khau bam jongi ya ko bening kong nganwan ra achipi ka ai ga jing pensai ka bala ban ya small ho lot nak deng jong ki pai ba baro ki badon ki basuk ye ki ban small ho da ka tien ka ba long simple ka ba bet adu kata ka bangin num don kanu ka jing artitien Bali ukhaw laha ban fortified lane ban pen klan yaw ni ukhaw bang ibam da ki vitamins ki prepare kadaw kalong ba ni small thu ba kumnu la handle lane lawan ra yaw ukhaw kat ba undarong ha ukhiw jongi ban shet ban pen long ya kaja uhab ya ling ba nadu na lingkha ter nang ta pade ha ban dung ha ban teliat yu bad nang ta minta lele ki polish ki khao mo kajing pernah jong khao bat kajing khut jong khao kalalong shabak palat ha ka ba ki minerals ki vitamins ki micronutrients ki badon kam baro khai ki laja lut te dei na ka daw bala don kam ban kle ya ki vitamins ki badon kam how khao bat ki ni ki vitamins ki ba pide ban tep kalong ka vitamin A nang ta vitamin B complex vitamin B12 iron folic acid but zinc Nakadaw ba kinakudlot kini ki micronutrients ba ki vitamins but ki ukhaw udan ki ba umdan hau la pendak additional no nabar tikini kini ki ba yarap hadu kata nakabenta ka jingroi jingsan jong kamen kaphan jongi bangin yo ya ka jingkwat ka jingkia ka ba khamba ka ba kham janai ka Food Safety and Standards Authority of India kalashim ya ka kabu ban fortified lani ban compliant da ki vitamins ya ki santali ki jajing ba but kata kalong kita ki bagi ong ye ki staple food ki bamla setiap ban kiar na ki yeng sedja jongi kata kalong how ukau atau moida nang ta kamlo ka kniang bat kadut balay pade bangiyo I baw tau khao ulong ubapla balay bagi pai ba jongi kia tam kia jet kia bread kia ice liang yo tau khao ubapla ubahang ni aku mat jongi kidon kini ki 45 rice ki bapila ban pet baki don kadur ka ba compare ki ba mapi pitip kampha aba pi shed ayeng pinyo iya kani kejo teka kadau kadong ba kini ki ukhaw ude ubaningkong ubang haban da jet banda pe kani ka khmat briu jongi kaya lambang kala teng mau khasi ong ka khmat beshet god tina kata kadau ngi haban da penlejing mutru ban kabor jabing ban keli ala dia bat ndi ban sha ban ya lambang kala tangda ka khmat kalaya per hadu kata bat kani susat ula per sedrong kadi ni empat ba kadi ya hoi per sedrong nang ta pade tang super sedrong la di plastik mo layalam ke social media deh la kam terjur social media deh namar bala per la sukhain bay plastik mo to namar beli nga ong sanga kumta kadaw galong bakipat ba baro keling saudong kiot betang utau kau plastik mo seniro kumjo ngawi pi ba ngala keli na ki pai ba ki bawan bu ya ka complain ngawi ki pila ju pedem mu ya ni kau kumbakat san minute ar 4 minute lani pedem no min miet sachet min step lani sampai khai min step long kum no kidon ki bong ong impat kan mau bat kidon padi ki bong ba MP tang shulabu tang sipang rongin da kerjau por basat ru lalu wetiu niu kau nang ta kidon ki boong mlap shu per shu adrong nreula ngam no sha po te hatu ka plastik ka longkum tamo.
In a significant development, the renovation of the dam site led by ITC Cementation India Limited is now underway. The dedicated team has initiated the repair process by strategically puncturing specific sections of the dam to address structural weaknesses. To ensure the smooth progress of the renovation, the Ribhoi police have implemented stringent measures to manage traffic flow. Vehicles travelling from Umroi to Shillong are redirected through an alternative road known as the Maulai VIP road, alleviating potential congestion. Conversely, vehicles heading from Shillong to Nongpo or Guwahati will continue to use the bridge, maintaining a streamlined traffic flow. Hanuman Kalam, the construction manager of ITC Cementation India Limited, revealed that the repair work commenced following a government order. The company was granted a 4-month window to execute the necessary renovations. The initial phase involves puncturing weakened areas of the dam with subsequent reinforcement using cement to fortify and enhance structural integrity.
Tengok ni ke. Let's say isna berapa pun kan ni Apa semua besar ni ya? Bola no ni se. Kun. apa balik yang ni tidak jangan tanya yo dam dia long.
बोल के डालेगा
जहाँ मिलिक हुआ उधर में बंद कर देंगे।
बंद हो जाएगा
ये ब्रिज का सेफ्टी के लिए
इसका जान भरने के लिए बन बन
लाइफ
बन एक्सटेंशन
ब्रिज का लाइफ के लिए
ये क्या है
In a recurring scenario, shop owners from Ribhoi district once again gathered to meet with Deputy Commissioner Peit Upadhyay, addressing the lingering issue of pending payments owed by the government for their services during elections. The shop owners, numbering 11, voiced their concerns about the outstanding amounts which are meant to compensate them for providing food services during the MLA elections. Despite multiple attempts to draw attention to their plight, the frustrated group expressed disappointment over the lack of response from the government. Speaking collectively, they highlighted the financial strain caused by the pending payments amounting to lakhs of rupees. The shop owners emphasized that despite several meetings with the Deputy Commissioner, the promises made by the government remained unfulfilled.
Ni apps tang kata kendai terik ni kumno kini perlu cumi kia ong mo namar ngilaya isya adu benta
kumbakan no ka bil ng tigadang sa ano punta
baro ikin ke bil ngidang sa
Kamay hira sini ya.
padiot
Kodiyo ngidang yo tang marsan 10,000 mo hau benai Januari
Ada bang
ka advance katugi hau ka jing ai bam cumi ke ding ngila sedang na du Januari matau senem ngidang yo tang 10,000 re hadu mentangi pad yo IRM tingin tip balai haba hakibi gibi district te kepisah kila yo bisa khniat kan soi no Rengi hang ni tengam tuk balai na ke election commission claim ai pisah thare gari bohoi ne balai ne ba ngindon bayo pisah mano rumo te i smudiang do kata-kata mengi ki balapan biang ya kabam gadi namar kinong ai mari ngi mo ki ba ai do ki ba ai jur ki ba ai chat kinong ki ba ai devotion wat kinong tri ngimla da bensiu hadu menta teng kilong o kilaya thok tharai kilayo pisah ten re ngi claim yo hadu menta
kumbakan no try ka poi ka dor badang diyo ki
kibil bingi di bingi ungi baru kada ki pau chaneng ni ken
ki phoja polak
polak chaneng kada ki polak bun ki ba polak ki balai polak ki ba hadu san pau tam rong semua don
kalau umne mo halor jung jing yawan jungi mentang ni namar ba kan ni kamde tang kasing ko banikong namar ba nilo ban supply ba matbiang ba matbenta kini ki trainers tentang ke election di hadin jung menai match hadin baladep ngilawan ni kendu UDC tingilawan ni kendu banya ya tu ini bangiladep somen lu dibil tingi kwa ba kin pelai klo ya kapisa namar ba sisin bangi pendiang ka bam tingi hab du ban siu ya kitu ki supplier ki dok mo ngi kong mentan mo kitu ki nong pendiang do pendiang ration berapa TMD tang kataru I nakaliang jung I ong bila ai ka asuran TMD tang kata ilong ai ka jing tho te bar khoi ki khatwei tli ki kantin ki ba supply ba am ni labu ka jing tho la ya sign lot ni la ai su DC how panai March how April ni la pan poi te adin kata ni lawan ni kendu yang UDC te wong ba I kumba sim respond to kata wong ba ngindon sanction ngindon pisah kajing peti jong kolong ba ka shortage bisa ka kopoi ka bisa ka duna mla ban pen biang tengi kata ka por ni le no ni tho ro koi ka city show si o au benai me ngi pen koi dok city show si o so Shillong ban ya tho ka problem ka jong ni re nang te ro ngi me respond ni te kumta ngi la chuan ni le hang ne po DC office kini perlu besong kantin hang ne ro bopli geri le mi man ka por mangiru man ka por ngi le ni ban kerpat itu si bau dewan pelaj no kan bisa tinggal ayai apung si to si tote mata la jandak si senen tiki ke problem menta kalong ba om ya baru hot ibaya supply mengaruh ngadon betang tan mari temen jungai dan dukan balik supply te ke pressure kawan nak mentai kitu kinong penbiang pressure kinong penbiang ko maka dei kapor ngihapan clear kirang don bisa bahab dewan clear te entah kan ngidang yai ab UDC mun pelai no nama kat bawan u aji kermen bakan lai ndrei menta kasngi ngilawan ngidang side wan ro kene ketayo beladep jementar ngilawan mo menin ro ngiwan hiro menin ngi klemi kendu i are ke problem jungi kalong kata UDC ude ban clear no nama kat kum gajing tip baka pisah kala don ni kumbong ikong ba UDC umpat don authorize ba un pelai kata pisah pro khoj upan yang kata sanction ba unyo ban release ni pisah ti kumba uang mentan uang balasai dan unduk pak no ni ai ka report sa Shillong ba uang yangi ba buat khat khandai terik ba ngan sa pentip yapi tengi pat nilai keren syai khmat jung disi bangi ngin kwa khandai terik ngi kwa ba plan no ka pisah baladon te pide disi head jong ka district kadika kamram ka jong pi bapin pressure sa ka department jong chief election office sa Shillong lani sakano no bentan ng baka finance ba pide ban yo ban plat no ingi na markui gi district ki supplier bam kila yo balingi hang ningim yo bali file ben mo kajing le ben kala long palat ya ka district ka jong ingi kinong supply bam na markui ki wi kila yo mar khandiat kat ba mangi ba penbiang bam nadu diwan aduk mentangi kham yo ye.
The member of Legislative Assembly MLA for Makurwat constituency Renikton Lingdo Tongkhar recently conducted an inspection of the pending Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY road, which had been stalled due to a lack of funds from the government. Addressing the media after the inspection, Tongkhar expressed his concern for the dire situation faced by the residents who had to endure over 3 hours of travel time to reach their destinations due to the absence of proper roads. He emphasized the urgent need for connectivity in the region, impacting the lives of people from 6 villages. MLA Tongkhar disclosed that he had met with the Minister in charge of Public Works Department PWD Roads, advocating for a new sanction to expedite the completion of the crucial road project. According to Tongkhar, the Minister assured him of a new sanction and expressed commitment to addressing the issue promptly. Tongkhar highlighted that the PWD department and its engineers will play their part soon as the required documents are ready to move forward.
Yo banwan Peit ya kene kesurok PMGSY hakaba yamenta la abandon hakaba kontraktor ulah sangena on petre kene jingtre but ngala yo banyakren ha kene gisni ya minister bani Peit ya ka tenat piludi road but hakaba ngala karpat jur ya i hakaba nakling department kin simkia ban khot biang kene ketendar bat nga sukmen hakabai minister ila kular hanga ban ong kloy kadbala mariyo ya ka city ya ka kot jingtho ya ka kot gi trai jaka ya ka baki menjur ban sya ban tre biang resurok nakaling sarkar kala kular bangin yo ban kot tendar no immediately mariyo ya kata ka city hakabaki trai jaka ki kin ai ya ka jing menjur ban sya ban tre surok ngalawan menta ka sngi bron Peit dalam kejung khmat ya ni ka surok hakabangi i ke jindon kam jongka ngitip ki gisnong ke badang bon ki sanru snong sti sepo e ke bakar surok 4 poi ikmi lenti kumbangi poi mentahang ne hakaba kan poi ke por ke bangi lak poi ke surok hadu ke snong nong nam kumbala tungun rum swa nang baki pajba na kini ki dong ki than barok kin yo ya ke jing yo perkam ki kali kumbangi gisnong ke basadang sedang barok ngila yo ban yat kali susut e gisnong ke basarum ke empat yo ban syong kali hadu mentah ke baki nang haban yat kejat ikmi lenti bahdin bangi yo pendep ke surok kin sayo i bakiru kin yo barkit kicing pak joki berkumjuru hakaban ya hakalit hakawan hakaban kin yo ban syong ni kali ban lagi yo ban hat ta kadi kajing wan jengok jonga kenang mentah sengi na mentah kadi kesurok e kabakala sakut mentah kumne kumakalo kublai ke department kidang lek mentah ya ka survey ban sutu syai na kanu jaka ka bari ban yat oj ni sutu bakari kesurok kumalang mentah kala poi hajan ka snong mau sanhi bat ya kade ka lati kumner ngemde ban pelana e lada day baka hapat yat na kawai kalan ka ban khamsuk ban poi hasnong nong namru na kaling department ila ban le kata na kaling jonga ngal aji mur ki ba Peit kanu ka site ka ba khamsuk le kata na mara bal ka stom palat ka site ka sitom ban tre te mara kata artatin ban poi ka surok ten dei kumbayo i menta kan ka surok ka bala tre menta kala poi ka snong mausan ngimde plan ai ka surok da kilat baro la kalong ba kapiludihi kadi ban chim ya kene surok ban maintain ni surok ban kampan bhasusu ban pendep janai kumba kalong menta kalang sudap tangkum ni haka surok hendau wadla kataro kampan debha kinala ki padon ki drain ki kalbat ki barang berkam ban le ya kata barok nak lagi department ingin sa budin ban le ya kata kenang ba ka snong mausa nyeru karom syae lada jia ba karon kam ban phai showei namar bangi haperkhat kita ki sant lagi snong satai kiba don kam palat ke surok tela da jia baka khamsuk kane ka bakil ayat mensuar kin but na kane kaju te handai la kini engineer kilap bak hamsuk nang tai kar bat kitrai jaka te ngi lai ka mon la doi ka department bakan le ka study bat ngi scam bakila le ru kata bat maria yo hikati kot jaka yak bagi ai kita jaka kin pasang menteri no kila le kata dak bagi le ka survey bat kin le ka hamsuk kano ka hamsuk kin le kata la kalong man pai man change no kin ka lan ndiat dak man I no kin tu kin ka benta te henry ni assure baka song mau sa ni kam dei ban sai hakaba na leng ka pindi kan sim kan ru kum kawai kum bakal pendep ban poi hang tai la karam kam su ban le sak ndiar ru kan ban le ban poi song mau sa ta ka dei jing angnut na jing aku no mat.
In a press conference held today, Sports Minister Khuborjylla declared that the much-anticipated Megalia Games are scheduled to commence in Tura on December 15th. The minister revealed that the sporting extravaganza will feature a diverse range of 22 games, attracting over 3,000 participants from various corners of the state. Khuborjylla expressed enthusiasm about the event, emphasizing its significance in promoting sports and fostering a sense of healthy competition among the youth. The games are expected to showcase the athletic talent prevalent across Meghalaya and provide a platform for participants to excel in their respective disciplines.
Leads, we have about 3,000 plus, and with officials and everyone, I think about 3,300. That's the numbers we're looking at. We have 22 disciplines till date. We're spending about more than 22 crores. I believe you touched 23. Times to make sure that all our athletes, their accommodation are being done, are being looked at. And recently we just had a review meeting. So everything is being done and everything is being prepared. So there's no need to worry about the accommodations. Based on how to promote sports in our state, to give a chance to a youth to showcase their talent. And I believe with this, it will help them a lot. So that is one of the main objectives. And we want to host Megalia Games because we're giving them a platform to grow. And hoping that through this someday they'll emerge as, they can even take part in national games as well. It's just that we have taken venues of various schools and colleges. So just a touch-up of renovations as being needed. But there are a few stadiums that is being constructed, like the track and field that was constructed, I think, last year. So it will be done by this December itself.
Since
Yes, no such as main venue, because it depends on the disciplines. When we talk about football, we have the PA Samla Stadium. When we talk about basketball, we have the donbosco school. So all that, so various locations. It's just not in one location.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.